There we go. We're in the rainforest. We'll see if we can get this to work. Hold on a sec. Ooh, here comes the big bad dog. Okay. And there's Ian. Wave. Look at this place. And there's another big bad dog.
Talking about dog.
I said big bad dog. This is nice. We've seen this before from a different angle, haven't we? Huh? I'm fine. I'm going to go look over this overlook here. Oh, you can get down right down to the stream? Okay, we're stopping this.